What is the STEM program?
The STEM program is kind of a new way that science education is going. 21st century jobs just aren't being trained in the normal science classrooms, so we have to look at jobs that are not really out there right now. We have to kind of predict that the jobs are in the future, and the STEM classroom is perfect for that. It gives the kids those 21st century skills that they need to be able to engineer things, to design things, to do basic things like coding. So it gives kids a classroom environment where they actually get hands-on time to investigate things like that and to employ it right in the classroom. So STEM is very important as far as education goes. We're trying to scaffold in the STEM classroom. So right now it's a new program here at Central Valley High School. So we have STEM 1 where they're learning basic engineering. A lot of the students we have very little experience with even hand tools. So we're getting into basic engineering, basic building type stuffs, but we're still getting into coding using Lego robotics. We're designing a Rube Goldberg project right now where they're getting all those engineering and building skills they need to go on to the STEM 2 classrooms. And later on we'll get more into the robotics and more into the coding so they can move on to STEM 2 and STEM 3, which is all about coding, robotics, engineering.
Machine, where one step activates another step repeatedly to an end goal of opening an umbrella for us.
When kids start off in the STEM program, I want to make sure that they have all the safety knowledge that they can get to work with all the equipment. We have everything from 3D printers, which aren't too dangerous, but they still need to get into the safety aspects. We have laser cutters, basic tool safety, making sure that kids have the ability to problem solve. So we work on a lot of that as far as STEM 1 goes. So it's a lot of kids adjusting to a new type of classroom where it's not where the instructor tells them what to do. We give them a basic goal and watch them and kind of facilitate their ability to problem solve and design whatever it is they want to design. And then we take those students that have the ability to move on and move them into STEM 2. That's where they get into coding, robotics. We're going to get into VEX robotics that teaches them the basic programming and coding so that they can get to the final capstone class, which is STEM 3, and that's our robotics competition class where they actually compete in competitions around the state. We're doing one this year, just a local one, and next year we're planning to get into multiple VEX robotic competitions. So we're trying to get kids those skills to get jobs in the real world that are out there now.